have to burp in all the thing.
Yeah, you like it?
Look at that. It's all matching now. Where's your shoes?
Oh, upstairs. I'm
you're
not walking
wearing
in those.
Oh,
no,
you.
no.
Oh, you. Oh,
Those
okay.
are not for walking.
Oh, okay. Those are for going now.
Yeah.
All right. Next thing, you need a hat. So
yeah, I know.
we went last night and got him his sweatshirt.
I feel self-conscious when my dick move around.
Good morning.
You hear me?
See the type of conversation I'm having this morning with my husband?
My sweatpants makes my dick move.
Oh Lord,
Jaxson.
we gotta cut out Rob. He don't have no. I have little children that watch, you know.
Jaxson.
Anyways, we're going for a walk. It's Saturday morning. Good morning. Then we gotta come back and clean this house.
Cause it's like so street.
I can't with this man.
There's a free floats in there, so it moves and makes me horny.
Babe, nobody wants to hear about your problem.
The jeans, it's like cupped in there.
Oh my gosh.
Going for a while.
Good morning, folks. How's your morning going? Because mine haven't started off the greatest because Rob is annoying me, but I'm going for a walk. And my weight is slowly coming back down to 195 because I shot right up because of Aunt Flo. So I'm back down. I'm at 196.8, technically 197, but we're gonna take credit. We're at 196. So this morning I'm gonna take it easy on the eating and slow down and just kind of like give my system a break. I'm gonna go for a walk and make the best of it. So I will catch up with you. And if you're not up and at it, please get up and get moving. It's the best time of the morning to get moving. So anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. So we did 1 hour and how many? 10 minutes walking. We did double. Yeah, we did double. We did twice. We went around twice. Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna go. I have to bathe Madison, and then we gotta go grocery shopping. Put gas in both cars, and go up the street for Rob. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with us for that. So let's bathe Mad. I'm gonna bathe Maddie in the sink, and I have to wash her hair. Maddie doesn't get shampoo in her hair. I just use conditioner. I've always used conditioner. So I'm gonna wash her hair, and I gotta get out her bubble bath under all of this. Destiny, where's Maddie's bath? Can you go upstairs, bring me a towel for her? A towel and a washcloth, underwear, and an outfit. Thank you. Daddy. Maddie, you ready for your bath? Oh, backside. I'll bathe her in this thing. Okay, so see, this is detangled. This is not detangled. See? Look at that. This only took me less than a couple seconds. So I'm gonna finish this and then show you guys. So she's all detangled. Okay guys, so this is what Maddie's hair looks like when it's wet. Scoot up, baby. When her hair is wet, this is what it looks like. Lens check, I haven't done one of that. I haven't done that for you guys. So about mid-back when wet. So I picked up this guy. My mother-in-law gave me 40 bucks for Bath and Body Works. Not Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath and Beyond. And I went and picked up this guy. It's the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Voluminizer. So I'm gonna, this is the first time putting heat in her hair. So I'm gonna see what her hair looks like stretched out. And yeah, so this was on sale. It wasn't on sale. This was $59.99. I used a 20% off coupon. which brought it down to 50 or 40 something. And then with tax, it brought it up to 50. And then my mother-in-law 40. So I paid $10 out of pocket for this. So I'm gonna use that for her and see what. It's not gonna hurt. It's like a brush. It's like a brush. It's like a brush. All blown out. If you have a little one and you need to do a trim on their hair and they have curly hair, I would highly recommend that blow dryer because this didn't even hurt her. She didn't cry, nothing. And so cute. I can get a trim on her right now, and yeah, she's good to go. She does need a trim. This is her first time getting a blowout, and she needs a trim really bad. So I'll probably go get her hair professionally trimmed because I'm not a professional. So let me see.
My high birthday.
Oh, you're so precious.
My high birthday.
Okay, guys, so we're leaving Aldi's. Aldi's is getting more and more expensive these days.
That was the grandma's car.
So we're gonna go to Walmart right now. I got a couple proteins for 2 weeks. Well, for a week technically. And now I'm going to Walmart to get the other protein. We spent $45 and our budget is $200 for 2 weeks. So hopefully we can get everything. And Rob is trying to squeeze alcohol out of the budget. Like, he over here thinking he's slick. We ain't put it in the budget. So, Rob be thinking he's slick, trying to squeeze stuff up in the budget after he done budget everything. And he made a really, really bad budget. Not even budget, but Rob likes to jump ahead of stuff. Because yesterday we didn't sit down and go over what's coming in, what's going out, all that before he paid a huge bill. Which is kind of like, because we have other income coming in that we didn't add it up, and he just did it all backwards, but we'll be fine. But now we're going to Walmart to go see what kind of sale they have on food, and yeah, so I'll take you guys along. So we're back in the house. I just finished a grocery haul, so that will be up tomorrow. So if you want to see a grocery haul, stay tuned tomorrow. For one, Rob is getting ready to throw some chicken on the grill. It's really warm outside, like so warm the kids have their jackets off, which is a really bad idea, because when it's like really this nice, it's like pneumonia weather. So I'm gonna go hang out there with them. It's 3:42. Maddie is napping. She is napping her little butt away. Look at this sweetness. So she's napping. So I'm gonna go spend time with my husband and find something to snack on. Okay guys, so I told you guys yesterday that I would share what I did with my planner and how I was able to get around needing a brand new planner for 2020. So still have to figure out this little section right here, but I put a few of the stickers that I will be using right here. And then this is just an old planner from 2018, I believe, was it, or 2019? But it was an undated planner. It says choose where your energy goes, which is so good because I need to concentrate on more of my content on YouTube and also Instagram. So this page right here just say hello, and I put this little thing that says adopt me. Anyone want to adopt me? So, and then in the front it just looks like that, and then over here is where all my goals are. So many people ask how we do it with 5 kids. I know my husband's texting me while I'm manage my business well, get our finance under control, and I wrote this about a year ago, and lose weight 80 pounds. And then this is just a memory from one of my old planner where when we were building our house and all that, and so I stuck this in here because I like this for memory keeping. So yeah, that's gonna be there. So this is where all my list and to do are gonna be. So right here is where I'm gonna put everything down, what I need to get done for that month, and concentrate on it right here. And then this is just, you know, inspirational. And then this is January, so I had to label everything yesterday. So this is gonna be our budget section where all of our finances stuff goes right there. And then in the weekly layout over here is where all my YouTube stuff is gonna go. So for every day there will be a video, and I will figure out what the video will be about and stuff like that. So that's how I have it set up for every single month. So this is like, you know, this is February and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's my planner set up for, well, my budget and my social media for next year. So anyways, yeah, I just figured I'd share it with you guys. You're gonna shoot me?
Yeah.
Dude. Hi. Yeah, copyright. This is Rob's Saturday. Consists of
This is what I do.
R&R and his girl.
This is what I do.
Yeah. No one loves you. And there's Adidas. Oh no, you took off the Adidas?
No, this is my dirty sweater.
Oh.
Yeah. No, but this is clean.
Rob got gray stain on his new
Yeah,
sweatpants.
that's my dick.
Oh gosh. All right.
Next to my region.
It's a big ass hole. Anyways, I'm gonna go for today because, you know, guys, my phone is not the greatest with storage. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Come back here tomorrow, same time, same place. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.